square head. Okay, like I draw the same. Okay, think about that. I draw the same. Okay, so I just tip the line here like this. I just make it some Nepali Bhutanese character like eyes, something like this. Okay. I make it little faster because I used to this kind of techniques. Okay, used to. So let's make the nose. Okay. Like this.
Now can I show?
Yes, ma'am. Please, please. Oh, nice, 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 nice. It's okay, ma'am. It's nice. আলপম খুব ভালো হয়েছে আমি এরকমই চাইছিলাম যে আইডিয়াটা যে থেকে আসছে কিনা সো দিস ইজ গুড so I make completely the shape is the same but completely new characters imagination. So what you how to develop this practice, you need reference definitely, but you not copy this. I take reference from some Tibetan character. Okay, some this is the hairstyle, this is the eyes, and then I modify. Okay, top or tip, this shape. So this is only I increment in this character. The shape is the same. For example, I draw once more. Shape is the same. Okay. I just shift that character eyes here. Suppose down here. So see, it's when I do like this, then it looks like a baby, isn't it? Shape is same, only when I down this, then a baby. When I up, it up, big character. See, it's like a baby. Make the hairstyle. Okay. Like this. Make little bit like this. Okay, this is baby. like this, not nothing more line, more difficult this line. Okay, so just see in your mobile any character and implement with this box, that is you can take it, the reference. You need always reference, but not exact copy this reference. You just make something your implement, because you will not get the exact square face anywhere. So what is your own implementation? That is, you implement with this box shape. Whatever character you reference, you watch that reference, this character you implement with this from. So you can make something new characterization.